How often should you be posting blog posts or content? This is a question that I get asked all the time, but there's actually a very easy way to find out how, and that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. The easiest way to get actual, real information to know for sure, because spoiler alert, this changes depending on your niche. So there's actually no one answer that I can give you, but there is a way for you to find out what Google is looking for or expecting in your niche. And the easiest way to do that is to open up a Chrome browser, go into incognito mode, and just look around and see, who are the biggest, most established blogs in my industry. And if you're doing local SEO, then you want to look at who your competitors are in your area and find ones, the top 3 ranking ones. And then what we're going to do from there is we're going to pull up the blogs and see how often are they publishing content. And once you have that answer, what we're going to be doing then is simply matching their content publishing frequency. But sometimes this isn't enough. And if you do what your competition does, you're going to get the same results they get, right? If you do what the 99% get, you get the results that the 99% get. If you're one of those people who really are in it to win it and you want to get what that 1% gets, then what you want to do is actually 2x their publishing schedule. So if they're publishing, let's say a blog post a week, then you want to do 2 blog posts per week. Now, this can obviously get incredibly difficult. If we're working with a competition in an industry or a niche where they're publishing 3 times a week, publishing 6 times a week is a lot, especially if you're a business owner, but I recommend doing it. It's definitely worth it if you really want to, skyrocket to the top of search and really build more authority than your competitors. So that's really how often you should be posting. There's not one definitive answer, but hopefully this was helpful to you. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing more SEO Saturday answers just like this, so stay tuned for that. And drop a comment down below. Let me know what you would like me to cover next. Head over to localrankninja.com to become an SEO ninja today.